treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, heated seats, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.